Unlocking the Power of Meditation, a journey to enrich body, mind, and spirit. Welcome to our exploration of the transformative practice of meditation. Today, we're diving into how developing a regular meditation practice can truly enrich your life in more ways than one. Are you looking to unlock the profound potential of your body, mind, and spirit? Perhaps you're dealing with a medical condition, pain, or discomfort. By embarking on a journey of quieting the mind and focusing on self-healing, you're taking a significant step towards assisting your body in its natural healing and repair processes. Meditation isn't an instant cure. It's about reshaping our perceptions of our physical and emotional condition. And this transformation takes daily, regular, and consistent practice. How often do we catch ourselves in a loop of negative self-talk? I can't, I'm not enough, I should have. These thoughts often occupy our minds, hindering our well-being. Training the mind to relax and integrate positive thoughts and emotions offers remarkable health benefits. Our emotions trigger a cascade of chemicals in our bodies, affecting our emotional biochemistry. Some of these chemicals can be harmful and inhibit the body's natural healing process. By dedicating as little as 1, 3, 5, or 15 minutes a day to quiet the mind through meditation, you're taking proactive steps towards enhancing your well-being and seizing control of your health journey. Join us on this journey of self-discovery through the power of meditation. Take charge of your well-being and watch as your body, mind, and spirit align in harmony.